Hi, you probably don't know me, but my name is Summer Deborah, and right now we're working on the world's biggest fort. Right now I'm going to be talking about the Winter Olympics, and we have one of those Olympics right here. Because, bowling is a Winter Olympic. Everybody knows that, right? I said right. You know that, right, Ella? No, I don't. It's not. Bowling's not a Winter Olympic. Yes, it is. A Winter Olympic sports. Ugh, I'm so mixed up with my words today. So, I want someone to do something, and that someone, you'll have to guess. But right now, I'm gonna go get something. Okay, I'm back. I guess you couldn't guess. I wanted Deborah to open this. Will you? Sure, of course I will. Just give it to me. Thanks. I'll be the way I'm going right now. So today we're going to be checking out this bowling set, and this is erasers, and not actually for Barbies, but I guess you could use them for that if you wanted to. And it has a choking hazard. It's not for kids under 3 years old, so I'm just going to open it up now. And I think I might need scissors. Yes, I need scissors. Here we go. So it has 3 pins and 1 ball. And I don't know exactly where to get this because I didn't get it from a store or anything like that. It's hard to set up right now because I don't have a flat surface. I'm gonna go get a folder or something. That way I can set these pins up and then knock them down. Okay, time to set up the pins. Now, where is that ball? Hello? Hi! Hey, Deborah. What? Can I roll the ball first? Sure. I didn't even get a chance to roll. That's okay. I'll set them up again. Here. Well, at least try to knock one down. Oh man. I'm gonna try later. Now that I've actually taken everything out of the bag, I see that this ball does have little holes in it, which I thought it didn't. Just like a real one. And I will do a comparison of the doll to the pins. This is how big they are compared to each other. So here they are, the ball, the pins, and if you wanted more of these, I think you might be able to find them at a dollar store or something. Dollar Tree, somewhere like that, where the erasers or maybe even toys are. So, again, I will try to set these pins up successfully, if I can. It's not actually that hard to set them up. I don't really have a flat surface right now, so it's harder. Okay, I'm going to try setting these up somewhere else. Okay, so I moved to the floor, and Summer's about to try to roll the ball to hit all three of the pins. Here goes nothing. That was terrible. How many shots do I get? As long as it takes. Infinity, I guess. One. Terrible. Again. Okay. Woo! Oh, 3! I'm on a roll, literally, with my ball. Hey, Deborah, can you set them up again? Sure. This time, all 3 in a row. Really? How am I supposed to do that? Like you did with others. Look at the ball, ready? Oh, so close to hitting all of them. Bowling ball is really heavy. Just one lucky shot. Yeah! It's not how... Go all the way over here to go get the ball. So far. Okay, one more time. This is such a fun Olympic sport. I'm gonna tell you now, it's not an Olympic sport. How am I supposed to do that? Oh, that's better. Wait, can we do it one more time? Because I wanted to, after this one, because I wanted to see if I could hit all 3 of them at once. No! I failed miserably. Okay, you got this. So close. Let me move the camera back. Okay, now the camera's really close to the pants. What if I hit it? Just roll. Really? Can I even kick this thing? Let me try. Ow! That's hard. I can't do this. I can't do this. I think I can. And I can. Ah, I hit the camera again. One more time. And that's it. I know I can. So I want to get them all down in one shot. You better hurry. No! Really close to them. Where's the ball? Got it. Okay. There goes something. No. What's here? Almost there. Can we hurry this up? Wait, I have to hit the last one. But you said you to get them all one. Will you stop hitting the camera? Sorry. Okay, one more shot. Nailed it. That was amazing. Absolutely amazing. Ow, why is this floor so hard? Bye guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And comment down below if you want to see our giant fort. Well, do you guys want to say bye? No. I'm fine. Well, that's all for this video. See you later.